Digital transformation is being touted by everybody, whether it's politicians, media, as the answer to all our problems. And we know it's more complex than that. But events like today help people connect into the kind of practical tools. But I think first and foremost, it's about inspiration.
Digital transformation gives us a different lens to look at things through.
I'm here today to talk about artificial intelligence, automation and digitisation, specifically as it applies to the workforce.
I think today's event has been really good, and one of the key things is the networking opportunity it has provided me to talk to people from various academia and public sector and private sector organisations, and also to see how they're leading digital transformation within their organisations.
I think the one thing about any sort of transformation is learning. So it's learning what other people are doing, what other ideas people have. It's about thinking we might want to try that, even if it doesn't work out, that's okay. And it's also enabling us to think ahead.
It's undeniable that the United Kingdom is facing a massive shortage of skilled healthcare workers at the moment. It has to be set against the global context of 18 million workers short by 2030. The main message is, if we can do 10 things consecutively or concurrently, we can address and close this workforce gap.